No gas, no flames, no cooking. What will you do in situations like these? One empty cylinder and everything stops. Hi, I'm an electrical engineering student at Amrita, and this is exactly where we step in. At Amrita, we don't just learn how to solve real life problems, we learn to solve these problems and overcome these limitations. Electrical engineering is not just about solving circuits, it's about turning real life problems into solutions, and it's also about building a sustainable future which powers our homes.
We, as electrical engineers at Amrita University, capture the solar energy using high-efficient solar panel and store it whenever it is needed. Then, this clean and renewable energy drives the induction cooktop, replacing the conventional gas stove, giving a safer and smarter solution with better energy managing system. So, we can ensure seamless cooking every day, turning kitchen into sustainable, future-ready innovation.